Okay, this is my chile verde. What I have here is I have some tomatillos. I have actual green tomates. Yeah, if you didn't catch it in my other video. I have some serrano and jalapeno peppers, some garlic. Let's see, and it's okay to toss in a couple of red ones. See, there's some that are turning red. I have some salt in there. I have plenty of garlic, onion, and make sure what I do is I'm gonna stir this over. But as you see, I take out the seeds so it doesn't become too spicy. Unless you want to make some that are spicy, then you keep the seeds in there. Give you a lot of that spiciness. And then you just cook it until it softens up, and then you put it in a blender, and then you have it. My chile verde, and then of course I season it up. I put some cilantro when I'm mixing it. If you want to make it more green, I'd add a little bit of spinach in there. Otherwise, leave it as is. This is going to be a delicious chile verde for my carnitas, which I made, and the carnitas with that and cooking it and blending it together, delicious. Okay, or you can even put this in chicken if you'd like. Alrighty, and even turkey if you have turkey. That makes a really good chile verde with your turkey, leftover turkey. If you have some leftover turkey, you can make this chile verde. And also, if you want to add some cream to it after you blend it, and then you put your turkey in there, and you want to make some enchiladas, chile verde enchiladas, delicious. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.